Tonight we are going to try to fix the Ranger. Apparently I ran out of town or just driving, but clipped the wall and ripped the whole fender. I was going to just pull the fender and the hood and just cut the front clip and mount the radiator, but I don't know, man, I really like the way it looks as a Ranger. So I'll try to use the ratchet strap, pull the front core support back a little bit, and then I found a fender for $50, which I think is expensive, but I mean, I'll try to look for another one. So let me show you what we got. So what happened was, I didn't see the wall, which kind of sucks. So I was planning on just taking the front clip off and doing away with it, but I really like the way it looks because, you know, it is a Ranger. So maybe, yeah, it's a big maybe. Maybe we can take that fender off and straighten it. I don't know, but it's worth a shot. What's the worst that can happen? I mean, don't get the fender off or straight. Eh. All right, here goes another. Turn this fan off. All right, so fender's over here. Try beating it out, but I mean, it's bad. Sometimes you just gotta cut your losses. I might sign it and see if somebody wants to buy it. I mean, make a good wall art, I guess. So here's what we got going on. I'm gonna try to pull this out, the ratchet strap. See how it's bent right there? If I could just get this to come out a little bit straighter, I mean, I could always just whack this off. Put a piece of square tubing right here to mount the fender. I mean, it had, look at the fender bolts. Ford didn't want this thing going nowhere, apparently. So yeah, I don't know. Leave a comment if you think I should just cut the front clip off. But I mean, it's pretty bad, and I really like the way it looks as a Ranger. So, all right, so I'm gonna hook it to my table. Hopefully, don't pull the table over. See if we can pull the clip out. Here goes nothing. Alright, my ratchet strap actually worked. Talk about some backyard ingenuity. Just gotta hammer this back. Can't do it right now, it's about 10 o'clock and my son's sleeping and I don't really want to wake the neighborhood, but pretty freaking straight. It's almost as good as what it was. Just need a fender now and headlight. We're getting there though. Note to self, just quit hitting walls. Jeez. Alright, I think that's gonna do it for tonight. Got it pretty straight. Just need a fender, grill, bumper, yeah, same. Gotta bend this back out tomorrow. Went ahead and booty fabbed on a mount. At least it's solid. You're never gonna see it anyway. Gotta order me a new breather for my catch can. Yeah, well that's gonna work. And then test my radiator hose. I don't know, man. I think it might have finally give up ghost, but I'm gonna call it a night. I'll be back on it tomorrow, where I can actually hammer some stuff and try to get that core support a little more around her so I can get a headlight like that one. And got an event in 3 weeks, so it's gonna be a blast going to WW motocross track. All right, I'm calling it a night. See ya. You can call me Jim Bob, the body shop guy. Remember what that fender looked like? Well, I stomped on it, beat on it. It's got some waves to it, but all I need now is a grill, and then we'll get Keith to cut me out some band-aids. That'd be kind of cool. And then I might just leave this. Went ahead and put the bumper back on. And I'll have to weld up right here. Ain't nothing but a thing, chicken wing. Oh, looks like a truck again. It's definitely a 100-footer now. But, I mean, cheapest fender I could find was $50, and it wasn't in much better shape than this one, so I figured we just figure out a way. I guess there's a will, there's a way. I mean, it looks a lot worse on camera than it does in person, but we're getting there. Just gotta get me a grill now. Boy, that was fun. Okay, since I didn't, well, I can't even find a grill, and they want $100 and something for one, so I think we're gonna run it like this. So chop the end off here, and then I just cut some hard pieces of plastic and some rivets, riveted it back together, and it's definitely a 30-footer. But as soon as it quits raining, oh, it was raining, I'm gonna put it back on and I'll show y'all when I'm done. It's not gonna be the greatest, but probably hit the wall again, so it really doesn't matter. All right.